to get your old account back in FC Mobile. So if you want to get your old account back in FC Mobile, then what you can simply do is just follow the steps. If you have lost your FC Mobile account, you can simply install the FC Mobile app either on your PC or on your mobile. Once you install the application, open up the application, or you can also search for how to get your old account back in your FC Mobile, and you'll have the official website of EA.com. So you just need to simply scroll down a bit, and here are a few steps which will help you to restore your game progress. So first is linking. You need to link your EA account. If you've already linked your EA account before, then it will be easy for you to get your account back. Your game progress should be safely tucked in. You need to just simply sign back into your linked account, whichever one you've backed up your game to, and your game progress will be restored. Your account will be back if you've linked your account. But if you've not linked, you can try two steps. First, you can check for app updates and install any that are available. Or the next thing you can do is just go and restart your device. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to reach out to the support team directly with your user ID. Then they'll be ready to assist you, and they will do their best to get you back in the game. You can just simply go with help.ea.com and then go with EA Help and report the problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.